Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many people wonder where to find the Attach button in Outlook when they need to send files. Finding the Attach button is usually very simple once you know where to look. When you are writing a brand new email message, keep an eye out for the paperclip icon. This distinct paperclip symbol is almost always located in the toolbar. It sits right at the top of your email composition window. Simply click on this paperclip icon. A File Explorer window will then pop up. From there, you can easily select the specific document, photo, or file you wish to include. What if you are replying to an existing email or trying to forward one? The paperclip icon might not be immediately visible in the smaller reply box. In this common scenario, you will typically need to click the pop-out button first. This helpful button opens your reply or forward into a larger, separate window. Once your message is in its own full window, the familiar paperclip icon will appear clearly in the toolbar at the top. You can then click it to attach your desired files. There is also a very quick alternative method. You can use the drag and drop feature. Just open the folder containing your file on your computer. Then, click and hold the file. Drag it directly from that folder and drop it into the main body of your open email message. Outlook will instantly attach the file for you. The paperclip icon is your primary indicator. It works whether you are using the Outlook desktop application or the web-based version. Its precise location can shift slightly between versions, but the paperclip always signifies the attach function. It helps you send your files easily.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.